At Mr. Duct, we believe in upfront and honest pricing and service. We have been proudly providing unmatched HVAC services to the greater Chicagoland area for over 20 years. What started as a small office in Naperville, Illinois, quickly grew to 50 employees in 7 different locations throughout Chicagoland. We specialize in cleaning residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. NADCA certified, we hold our technicians to the highest standards, which is why we train them on-site with hands-on experiences. Whether you need a vent, furnace, or air conditioner maintenance check, cleaning, repair, or installation, you can always be sure of one thing: we'll take care of all your heating and cooling needs. When you choose Mr. Duct, you choose the local HVAC service provider that is trusted by your friends, family, and neighbors. Remember to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all of our latest videos. For more information, please feel free to visit our website at mrductcleaning.com or give us a call at 888-4MR-DUCT. That's 888-467-3828.